Good morning, Year 5, and welcome to your second reading session of the week. As we always do, in the second lesson of the week, we are going to today look at developing and broadening our understanding of vocabulary. We are going to pick out some words from the text we looked at and text marked yesterday, and then you are going to have a go at defining. You're going to have a go at using and putting into a sentence some of the words, as well as generating some synonyms and some antonyms. The words that I've picked out for us to have a look at today then. Some of them maybe are more familiar to you than others. Carefully, plunged, we've got sapped, clinging, obstacle, and wretched. The first thing I would like you to do is I would like you to, in the text that you looked at yesterday, highlight these words. So we can kind of get a bit of context behind them. So wretched and carefully are in the very first paragraph of the first extract yesterday, and the other ones there are highlighted a little bit further down the extract in the other paragraphs. So what do we do in the vocab session? Just to remind you quickly then, we have a look at defining it. So in your own words, you might want to consult a dictionary if you have one to find the dictionary definition, but I would like to try and put it into your own words if you can. I've used carefully as an example here. So I've defined it as doing something to avoid harm or errors. Do it cautiously. That's my definition. An example. So this is the example that it used in the text yesterday. With their supplies carefully calculated, they could not afford to waste any more time on such luxuries as sleep. So for each of the words, you're going to define it, you're going to use it, or you're going to copy the sentence, which is the example sentence from the text. You're going to use it in your own sentence. So Mr. Mills carefully took off his mask. And then you're going to, if you can, generate some synonyms, words meaning something similar, and antonyms, so words meaning the opposite, for each of the words I have just shown you. So for this one, for carefully, you could have attentively, cautiously, meticulously, scrupulously, precisely. Opposite of those words, thoughtlessly, carelessly, clumsily. So for each word, you're going to have a go at defining, using the example in the text, using it in your own sentence, thinking of synonyms and antonyms, and then moving on to the next one. So those are the words. And I've missed one off there. Which one have I missed off? I've missed off wretched. So that's another word to add on to that. Define it, example, use it, synonyms, antonyms. Have a go, and I'll see you tomorrow.